How to rename apps on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to rename apps on Android device. In order to do this procedure, there is no such inbuilt feature on the Android device itself, so you have to use a third-party application. For that, head over to your Play Store and on the search box type in Mobile Launcher and then make sure to install the application. Once the application is completely installed, click the open button. Now you need to run the following application. So here you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. So after you open up Mobile Launcher, here you need to scroll down right to the bottom and tap the tick button in order to proceed on to the next step. So here you can see open up your Nova launcher. First of all, after you open up the Nova launcher, now go ahead and tap on home screen icon, and after that you need to scroll down right to the bottom and then you need to go to select default launcher. Just go ahead and tap on it. After you're done setting up the following application, exit out of the Nova launcher, and then let's say that I'm gonna go ahead and make changes with the following this one. So then tap on it, and after you've done that, go ahead and tap the app info icon. After you've done that, you'll be able to see this option as go ahead and tap the three dot icon or the I button, and here you'll be able to see an option as edit, and accordingly you'll be able to name or rename apps on Android device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.